Now student, we move the third page of our 10 lesson, Nina and the monkey here. We have seen that in second page, Nina went to near the swing to give banana to the monkey, and when she entered in a playground, it means nearby the swing, what she sees make her unhappy. When she reached there, she felt herself unhappy because the two monkeys are hiding behind a tree. It means the two little monkeys were hiding behind a tree by seeing the people with their stick, because the monkey felt sadness here, the monkey felt scare here, so monkeys take their place behind the tree, but to take protect themselves from the people with their hand stick here. So they look sad, because when we create a disturbance to animal, when we hurt to animals felt sadness, they cannot speak, but they feel better than us, they understand better than us, so we should have to take care them. And monkey looks sad here by seeing the people with their hand stick here. So Nina look at them, put the two bananas on the swing, and hide behind a big tree here. It means Nina wants to give help to monkey by feeding them to banana. So here she know that if she will call to monkey, monkey now felt fear here, so monkey will not come out from the tree. So she uh, directly put two banana on the swing and hide herself behind a big tree here, and she wants to see what the monkey will do here now. So she hide herself behind the big tree, and if she will not hide herself and she stood near a swing, so monkey will never came out from the tree to take this banana. So she wants to see what the monkey will do here, so she hide herself, and monkey also felt that people were run away, people went from this place here. So the monkey come out of their hiding place, they chatter joyfully and pick up the banana here. It means the monkey came out of their hiding place, it means came out from the tree, and they chatter joyfully here. Chatter, it means this is the voice of monkeys. It means which is the voice of monkey, it means they chatter here. Monkey speak chattering here, it is a chattering sound here. Monkey chatter here. So by taking their food, monkey chatter joyfully and pick up the banana here, and they spot Nina and wave out to her here. It means they say thank you to Nina here. By taking the banana, monkey say thank you to Nina, and Nina come out of her hiding place. She smile at them here. It means here Nina smiled at the monkey, and she came out of her hiding place, and she wants to help the monkey, and she did the good job here. She really helped to the monkey, and she really feel herself better. It means when we help to other people, we also happy by feeding through other here. We do not eat, but we give the food to hungry people. It means we help to give by somewhat, by giving the clothes, by giving the food to poor people. We really feel happy here. So by taking the banana by the monkey, Nina felt herself better here. It means Nina happy here, and she smiled at the monkey, and suddenly that teacher Mrs. Rani comes to her. Here suddenly the teacher Mrs. Rani comes to her. It means Mrs. Rani came to know that Nina went near the swing to give the food, it means give the banana to monkey here. So monkey will harms to Nina, and during the times of school here, The teacher will responsible what will happen to the student here. What will happen if any harmness is occurred here? So teachers are responsible for any harms here. So Mrs. Rani, her class teacher, her teacher comes there to call to Nina. Nina, come, don't go near monkey because monkey will hurt you. Monkey will do some things to you. It means will hurt you, will harm you. So Mrs. Rani said to Nina, Nina, don't do that. Nina, don't never go near the monkey. You are not supposed to feed monkey here. It means you should not have to give food to the monkey because more monkey will come and create a nuisance here. It means it is a school here and we must have to study here in a silent climate here, climax weather. We need our surrounding clean. We need a silent nature here. We need a peace, a quietness here. We should have to sit here properly, and this is the school. If you give food to one or two monkey, so day by day more monkeys will comes here and more monkey will comes here in the school in a playground, and they all together will make chattering here. They speak the word chattering hoopa hoop, and they will create a nuisance. They make a lots of noise, and they altogether make a lots of noise, and they will create a nuisance, and they will create a disturbance in our study, and they will not help us. It means they will not keep quiet here in the school, and they will create a disturbance in our study. So you should not have to give food to them here. Because of this reason, because more monkey will comes here and they create a nuisance here. They make lots of noise, and they create a hindrance in our study. And Nina says sorry ma'am, and Nina really says sorry to ma'am because ma'am give the right ideas to her here. So here at last I would like to tell you that we should have to help such a animals here who lives nearby us, domestic animal. We must have to feel the feelings of such an animal, because the animals cannot speak but they understand better than us. And if we help them, if we help the animals must be give good reward to us. The animals must give good rewards to us. So we must have to be kind. We must have to be kind to such a animals here. Thank you.